A warm welcome to all for joining us during the Singapore Fintech Festival 2021. My name is Margot Brenholz, and I'm the Global Chief Operating Officer for Codebase Technologies. Codebase Technologies started with a vision to disrupt the way technology is utilized for a greater purpose. Our vision has guided us over the years and helped navigate us through the ups and downs in building a global technology startup with the next generation of digital transformation and banking across the world. My role spearheads strategic business operations, planning, and transformation function across the business, which converts corporate level plans into a set of discrete change initiatives, ensuring we continue to achieve our revenue goals and scale. Being operationally effective and have high-performing teams requires acclimatizing to change, meaning we're focused on having an agile working environment and customer focus as we move forward. I love being part of Codebase Technologies. Each and every person truly displays their passion for what they do and come to work every day understanding their own why. We have a true culture of innovation, accountability, respect, inclusion, and empowering our staff to grow individually as well as professionally. We'd love to connect with you and discuss a long-term partnership and how we can drive impactful and positive change, both in your organization as well as the economy. Or even if you're interested in joining our team. May you enjoy the rest of the day's events, and we're looking forward to connect with you. Stay safe and have a good day. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Marcel. Hello, good morning, and welcome to the Singapore Fintech Festival 2021. My name is Samir Khan, and I am the Managing Director of Codebase Technologies, Asia Pacific. It is indeed a pleasure to be a part of this FinTech Festival. Allow me to share who we are and what we do. Codebase Technologies is a global open API banking solutions provider that enables banks and financial institutions, both conventional and Islamic, as well as companies in the emerging fintech ecosystem, to demystify digital financial services. We help organizations create and deliver innovative and intuitive experiences across the entire customer lifecycle. We are recognized as one of the world's fastest growing open API banking solutions providers. With a vision to disrupt the way technology is used for a greater purpose, we engineer impactful digital financial experiences for conventional and Islamic banks, fintechs, neobanks, lenders, and startups. We've launched several digital challenger and neobanks and proposed financial propositions across the UAE, Malaysia, Bahrain, and UK, and Africa with a proven success rate and unparalleled speed to market. As a result, Codebase Technologies has grown exponentially as a digital banking technology pioneer in the global banking industry. Our award-winning DigiBank suite is a cloud-enabled, API-driven, and highly adaptable digital banking platform, allowing institutions to deliver inclusive digital financial services. Our open architecture embraces a diverse ecosystem of partners and vendors, driving collaborative experiences across the financial services landscape. The DigiBank suite is built on a modular microservices architecture, providing a robust and agile environment to launch new financial products at scale. With a deep culture of innovation and excellence, we at Codebase Technologies are helping bring forward the next generation of digital transformation and banking worldwide. With presence and customers across 4 continents, with our award-winning and innovative digibanking suite, a comprehensive one-stop bank in the box, we help our customers unlock the true potential of next-generation digital financial ecosystem. During the course of the next few days, you will have the opportunity to learn more about us and our digibank product suite. We have 3 keynote speeches which we will share with you based on key topics that include digital challenger neobanks, financial inclusion, and digital Islamic banking. I will also be speaking with some of our key customers, which include the Chief Digital Officer of Capital Bank of Jordan, Zain Malhas, the CTO of Centurion Corporation, Mr. Gold, and the CEO of UAE's first digital bank called Zan Bank, the well-known Olivia Crispin. I will also be speaking with our ecosystem partners that include Global Payment Services and Taurus. So stay tuned for these sessions. These conversations will also be recorded, and the videos will also be available on demand for your viewing at your own convenience. I'm supported by a highly competent team in Asia Pacific who will be able to meet and have introductory or deep dive conversations, which will help you to get to know us better and our products, services, and the offerings, the propositions much better, be it in the area of core banking, be in the area of Islamic banking, the financial inclusion, open APIs, open data, open banking at large, innovative solutions around payments, and a lot of other solutions that we have in our stack, like instant onboarding, instant decision-making for loans, super apps, and so on. I will also take this opportunity to thank my team here in Asia Pacific. So do look out for KP and Ram, who are based in Singapore, Johan, who's based in Jakarta, Indonesia, to all my Indonesian banks and institutions who want to reach out. He'll be available for you. I'd like to extend a special thanks to Nikita, who really worked hard to put this event together. She's based in Jakarta, and she's been the whole construct for this event, and put us all together to make this happen. I must also not forget to thank other members of my team, more so Cherise, who supports me and my team with so much of back-end plumbing work around sales, around supporting the sales organization in Asia Pacific. Yeah, special thanks to you too, Cherise, you're part of the team. So I am actually looking forward to seeing you. Now, we always here, in case you want to ping me, set up a meeting, or set up a meeting with any of my people at the team, including Maktal as well. So do reach out to us and we'll be able to help you. And by and large, I would encourage you to have a good time at the event, learn, meet as many people as you can, and really make the most out of being at your, being in front of your computer, and really participating as much as you can in the event. So have a great time. There are many sessions that we have planned for you, and I think every day you'll get to know about it. Today, we will be talking, my colleague Omar, who's the global engagement lead and is based out of Dubai, is going to be talking about digital banks from a perspective of digital challenger neobanks, and a lot that's happening around there, and the Codebase proposition. You will hear me talking with Zain Malhas, as I said, the CDO from Capital Bank of Jordan. And I also would like to take this opportunity to introduce to you our podcast channel or podcast show. We sometimes do it as a podcast, and oftentimes we get together, on a Zoom call or on a face-to-face meeting and record those conversations where I speak with several guests, key figures in the financial services industry, to understand and share insights about the trends, what's happening, and what Codebases or what our viewpoints are. I would like to also, share with you something about Raheel Iqbal, who is the CEO of the company. He's part of the he's part of the MENA Fintech Association and considered a scholar in the Islamic banking space. So he has a wealth of knowledge. And so what we try to do is we come together and talk about it. So there'll be times on the podcast that I'll be picking his brain and getting, giving him an opportunity to share his thoughts on an open forum. So do, the podcast is available on all podcast platforms like iTunes, Pocket Casts, Chromecasts, and so on. So look out for that. And of course, it's on the website as well, on the codebtech.com website. So do visit us at our website and tune into some of the episodes that probably you haven't heard. And stay tuned and send us your email, and we'll put you onto a list where as and when the episodes come out, you'll get to hear them. So it's a great place to learn a little more about Codebase and a lot more about what's happening in the industry. So we're going to tune that. I host the show, so a lot of conversation is around Asia Pacific, but I try to get to speak with people outside in the MENA region and in the African continent, and my partners in Russia as well. So stay tuned for that, and have a lovely day today. And I'll look forward to meeting with you at some point. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, really.